So, okay, students. Let's continue with the topic. The topic is ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. इस स्टेटमेंट को मैंने सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है बच्चों. अब यहाँ पर से दो दिस थ्योरम हैज बीन डिलीटेड फ्रॉम योर सिलेबस, आपके सिलेबस से हटा दिया गया है, लेकिन इसको हम पढ़ेंगे, रिवाइज करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज यूजफुल थ्योरम. विल नॉट बी प्रूविंग इट, यू जस्ट रिमेंबर द स्टेटमेंट. हम इसको प्रूव नहीं करेंगे, बस केवल स्टेटमेंट को समझेंगे और उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, सो हियर रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ स्क्वायर्स ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. ये है इस थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट. एक लिख ले बच्चों आप कॉपी में. You just write down in your copy. I am repeating it. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, now let's see what does this mean. It means if you have two similar triangles, one is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, ratio of areas of two similar triangles, that means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equal to AB upon DE whole square, because AB corresponds with DE, equal to BC upon EF whole square equal to AC upon DF whole square. So this is actually the statement of the theorem, and this is the conclusion that we have drawn from here, that if these two triangles are similar, कोई भी दो triangles यदि similar हैं, तो यहाँ पर इनके रेशियो, एरियाज का रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, or you can say the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. या तो आप AB by DE whole square भी लिख सकते हैं और AB square upon DE square भी लिख सकते हैं. So this is the statement of this theorem, that is theorem 6.4 given in your book. एरिया ऑफ 6.4 से पहले ये थ्योरम दी हुई है आपकी बुक में, एनसीईआरटी बुक में. Now let's take some examples. Yes. So let's take some examples based on this. Now my question is a very simple question, that is, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, if the two triangles are similar, it is already given, and it is given that AB equal to 3 centimeter, DE equal to 5 centimeters. Now my question is very simple, जो अभी आपने conclusion लिखा था उसी से related है. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will be equal to, I am giving you a few options here, 3:5, 5:3, 25:9, 9:25. 9:25. Yeah, the right answer is 9:25. It will be 3/5 whole square. Okay, it is 9:25. Absolutely right answer. Okay, so the correct answer is D, that is 9:25. Another question. Next question. If you have triangle ABC and a line DE is drawn parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC. Now in this figure, if AD is to DB is 2:3, AD is to DB is 2:3. My question is, first one is triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC? First part of my question is, are the two triangles similar? Is triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC? Yes or no? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Yes, because this angle ADE is equal to angle B. These are corresponding angles. और दूसरा यदि आप देखें तो angle AED is equal to angle ACB, again corresponding angles, and obviously this is the common angle. So either by AA similarity or by triple A similarity, the triangles are similar. This is yes by AAA similarity. Reason आप लिख लीजिएगा. Which angles are equal I have already marked. My second question is, based on the same figure, what will be the ratio of AE upon EC?
2:3.
Please answer only when you are asked to answer, please. Okay, yes, absolutely right. 2:3. Can you give the reason why it is 2:3?
So because AD. Sir, because these two triangles are similar and AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC.
AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Can you conclude by similarity? No, it is by basic proportionality theorem. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. That is by basic proportionality theorem. So here the ratio is AE upon EC is equal to AD upon DB. This is by using Thales theorem. So therefore we get AE upon EC is equal to 2:3. Right? Now, third part of the question, listen to the question very carefully, analyze it properly and then answer. What will be the ratio of area of triangle ADE to that of area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ADE to that of area of triangle ABC. This area is to be calculated. See, AD upon DB is 2:3. अब आपको जो रेशियो पूछा है वो है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. इसका रेशियो पूछा था. तो यहां पे AD का करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड आएगा बच्चों AB. सो इट विल बी AD अपॉन AB का होल स्क्वायर, नॉट DB का होल स्क्वायर. अब यहां पर रेशियो दिया था AD अपॉन DB, मतलब ये 2 पार्ट्स है, ये 3 पार्ट्स है, तो टोटल पार्ट्स हमारे पास हो गए 5. ठीक है, मतलब यहां से AD अपॉन AB जो होगा that is 2:5. AD upon AB will be 2:5. Therefore your answer is 2/5 whole square, which is equal to 4/25. So your answer is 4:25. Understood? Yes. I want to know the area of triangle ADE to that of area of BDEC. ADE to that of BDEC. ADE to that of BDEC. Let's see. Yes, the answer is 4:21. Absolutely right answer. Now let's see how it is 4:21. फिगर को बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा और ये वाला रेशियो देखिए. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC ADE अपॉन ABC, मतलब ये 4 पार्ट्स है और पूरा 25 है. ट्राइंगल के 4 पार्ट्स हैं, पूरा 25 है. 4 आउट ऑफ 25. नीचे जो लिखा है BDEC लिखा है, ये ट्राइंगल तो है ही नहीं. तो ट्राइंगल जब नहीं है, ट्रेपीजियम है, तो ऑब्वियसली हम सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स का जो थ्योरम हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ नहीं लगेगा. मतलब यहाँ पे ये 4 पार्ट्स है, पूरा 25 है. तो इसमें से जो ये वाला पार्ट बच रहा है आपके पास, द रिमेनिंग पार्ट, दिस वन इज 25 माइनस 4. ये जो डबल शेडेड दिख रहा है ये बचा 25 माइनस 4, मतलब 21 पार्ट्स. ऊपर 4 पार्ट्स, नीचे 21. So your answer is 4:21 is the right answer. Okay, clear? If you have a square, ABCD is a square with AC as one of its diagonal, ADE is an equilateral triangle. ADE is an equilateral triangle and ACF is another equilateral triangle. ACF is another equilateral triangle. मतलब यहां पर आपके पास एक ये इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है और दूसरा ये इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है. Now you have to find out the area of ADE upon area of triangle ACF. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ACF. इन दोनों का रेशियो निकालना है आपको. I am repeating the question again. ABCD is a square. Then ADE and ACF, these are two equilateral triangles. Two equilateral triangles. So my first question is triangle ADE similar to triangle ACF? Yes or no? Yes, they are similar because we have already discussed that all equilateral triangles are similar because the measure of each angle is 60 degree. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. That means we have triangle ADE is similar to triangle ACF. Now, when these two triangles are similar, when these two triangles are similar, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ACF, it will be equal to AD upon AC whole square. AD upon AC whole square. Okay, अब देखिए. Now, as we have said that ABCD is a square means all sides are equal. तो इसका ये साइड A मान लेते हैं, इसका ये साइड भी A हो जाएगा. So that means now by applying Pythagoras theorem, we'll get AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Means it is equal to A square plus A square. You get 2A square. That means AC is equal to root 2A. So here when we find out the ratio, AD is A, AC is root 2A whole square. तो यहाँ पर A कैंसिल हो गया, 1 by root 2 का स्क्वायर
1/2
1 by root 2 का स्क्वायर 1/2, so it is 1:2 is the ratio. Exercise 6.4, question number 1, question number 2. Do yourself. Now let's discuss question number 4. If areas of two similar triangles are equal, if areas of two similar triangles are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. मतलब दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर भी है, उनका एरिया भी इक्वल है, तो ऑब्वियसली दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. ये तो हमें समझ में भी आ रहा है क्योंकि एरिया इक्वल है मतलब डायमेंशंस भी इक्वल हो गए, तो एग्जैक्टली ओवरलैप करेगा. और जब ओवरलैप करता है मतलब ऑब्वियस है कि दोनों का एरिया दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. Now let's prove this. We have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. बोथ आर गिवन है सिमिलर, सिमिलर गिवन है बच्चों, और प्रूफ करना है कॉन्ग्रुएंट, प्रूफ करना है कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो अगेन लेट्स सी, इट्स ऑल्सो गिवन area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. Area is also given as equal. Now in this question we see, let's apply the theorem which we have proved, which we have discussed here, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. That means AB upon DE whole square equal to BC upon EF whole square equal to AC upon DF whole square. अब यहां पर ये दोनों का एरिया इक्वल दिया हुआ है. जब ये दोनों का एरिया इक्वल है, मतलब यहां पर ये कैंसिल हो गया तो रेशियो हो गया 1. 1 इज इक्वल टू AB अपॉन DE होल स्क्वायर ऑल्सो इक्वल टू BC बाय EF होल स्क्वायर ऑल्सो इक्वल टू AC बाय DF होल स्क्वायर. सो फ्रॉम दिस, तीनों को जब 1 से इक्वेट करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? AB इक्वल टू DE, BC इक्वल टू EF, AC इक्वल टू DF. AB इक्वल टू DE, BC इक्वल टू EF, AC इक्वल टू DF. Therefore, by SSS congruency, triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So if two triangles are equal in area, if two similar triangles are equal in area, then they are congruent. So remaining questions we'll be discussing in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you.